loving that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's loving that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's loving that you want, then come and take a walk with me.
Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Thanksgiving video. Happy Thanksgiving, loves. Hope you guys enjoy it with your loved ones. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I just hope that it's just a beautiful day for you and to make it a good day, a positive day, like every day. But you guys, I've been not doing a lot of makeup looks, but I actually did this just for Thanksgiving. I really appreciate all of you guys' support, and don't forget to like, also share this video, and yeah, and make sure you watch the whole video. So thank you all so much for supporting me, and yeah, see y'all in the next. Happy Thanksgiving. Say happy Thanksgiving. Greg Cray don't care. But yeah, bye.
Starting off with the e.l.f. foundation, and I'm just going to blend it on my eyes and then go in with the Maybelline Set Loose powder and set the foundation. Love Your Selfies palette, and I'm going to use that brownish color, and I'm just going to put that as my transitioning color, blending it in my crease. I'm going to go in with this brown color, and I'm going to blend that on my eyes, and then I'm going to take that red color and I'm going to blend that in my crease on the outer part of my eye and the inner part of my eye. I'm going to go in with this brown color, and I'm going to blend it in my crease and my outer part of my eye and inner part of my eye. I am doing the halo in the middle of my eyes with the e.l.f. foundation, and then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Set Loose powder, and then I'm going to blend it with the red eyeshadow. I'm using this bronze eyeshadow, and I did not like it. It was just not a pop. It wasn't nothing for me. So then I used this other palette right here, and I went in with the gold eyeshadow, and then I sprayed some e.l.f. mist set, and it just popped out. You guys see that? See? I'm going to go in with the Pixie Petra eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that in my tear ducts, and then I'm going to go in for my lippies, which is the e.l.f. lippy, brown lippy, and then I have the e.l.f. lip lacquer. Thank you all for watching. Love you all so much, and happy Thanksgiving. Mwah.
You make me wanna